CYFC. On behalf of all the youth over here, सगळे different villages आसून येयले. तुमकां स्पेशली मिडिया पर्सन्स आहाय थँक्यू म्हणटाय ऑन अ वेरी शॉर्ट नोटीस तुमी येयली म्हूण. आनी आमचो हो आतां प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दवरला कित्याक दवरला, कित्याक आमी भायर येयले हो रिजन तुमकां आमी तुमचे मोदें दवरतात. आमकां हे प्रोजेक्ट्स 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स एक्सपेन्शन ऑफ नॅशनल हायवे, डबल ट्रॅकिंग and transmission line 400 kV आमकां हे प्रोजेक्ट्स नाका बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रॉय गोवा. आमगे सगळे यूथ आहाय दे हॅव द सेम मायंड, वी हॅव द सेम मायंड. इफ दे आर सेंग ती म्हणटात की ट्रान्समिशन लायन जायी बिकॉज निलेश कब्रालान सांगलां आमकां इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जायी, आमकां नाका ती. आमकां तेणें ऑलरेडी स्टेटमेंट केलो आहा 2019 सांगून की आमकां ऑलरेडी 1000 मेगावॉट्स पावर येता. So only 600 is being used. So 400 extra asa. So amka ani transmission line kityak zai. All these 3 projects which have been mentioned are connected and they are for transport of coal. So when they are talking about double tracking, call substation already kotta ite thinga. So at substation power korpa training. So Castle Rock unch aspa the engine power zai. So the transmission line is to power the trains over there. The diesel high the electric corpus hota hai. The transmission line is for the transport of coal to support to power the double track. And next हम इंचात है कि why through Goa. दुसरे कर्नाटका बेलकारी आसा, मंगलोर पोर्ट्स दुसरे आसाय, महाराष्ट्र जयकड आसा. Why not from there? गोवा कित्याक तुमी मोदे हाडटाय. सो आमची विनंती आहा की हे प्रोजेक्ट्स ओपोज कराय काडाय स्क्रॅप ऑफ. सो आतां हांव मागता आमचे मेंबर नियोला परेरा तुमकां सागर मालाची कॉन्स्पिरसी कितें आहा ती तें स्टार्टींग करता आसतना हांव म्हणटलें की वी फील चीटेड ओवर हियर. सगळीं यूथ जी आयली आमकां सांगलें घरा रावाय कोरोना जालो आहा. आमी रावली सगळे कायदे पाळले. आमकां आत्मनिर्भर जावपा पासून म्हणलो आमी शेतांत पासून गेली पूण स्लोली तेणी प्रोजेक्ट्स पास केले कळो नासतना. आमकां कोण यूथ हाय कोण आमचे गोंयकार कळो नासतना प्रोजेक्ट्स पास केले. आतां आमकां रस्त्यार येवपाक पडलें कित्याक आमकां आमचे ताळे ते आयकनात. आमकां रस्त्यार येवपाक पडटलें आनी आमकां एक क्वेश्चन केलो की हुंयचे कोण येतात काय म्हूण भायर. आमी सगळे यूथ भायर येयले. आतां फ्युचर आमगे कितें जातलें आमी सगळे गोंयकारां एकठांय कोत्तलेच. सगळे MLA आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू स्पीक ऑन आवर बिहाफ. आमगे कितें मत आहा तें तेणी उलोवपाकूच जाय. आतां ते दाबोलीम आमगे यूथ आहा पुलीस फोर्स हाडले भायरसून क्लियरली मेसेज दिता गव्हर्मेंट की दे हॅव नो फेथ इन गोवा पुलीस. दॅट इज वाय भायरसून हाडले. सो तुमकां हेच मुखार जाय आमगे दाबोलीचो यूथ मॅक्सन बाबा ते कडेन मातशें विचारा. फ्युचर कितें जातलें वी आर गॅदरींग all the youth, all the people गोंयकार एकठांय जातले. तो आमगे फ्युचर प्लॅन आहा. मॅक्सन आमगेलो अपील आहा आमी जे मेमोरेंडम बी दिताय एक असेंब्ली दवराय. तुमचे मिनिस्टर्स आहाय ते मातशें डिस्कस कराय की प्रोजेक्ट्स कितें जाता कितें तें तांकां खबर ना कितें जाता तें. इफ मोविन गुडिनो इज सेइंग दॅट इट इज फॉर आवर बेनिफीट आमकां पुलीस बी हाडून थ्रेटन कित्याक कोत्ताय. हे प्रोजेक्ट्स आमकां लागू जाल्यार आमचे ताळे आयकाय डिस्कस कराय तुमचे असेंब्ली दवराय. तुमी एक्सपेक्ट कोत्ताय भुरग्यांचे स्कूल स्टार्ट जाले आमगे एग्जाम्स आसतले आमी भायर येवपा तुमी मुट्टात. तुमच्यांनी आजून भायर येवपा लागना आमकां कोरोना लागना. तुमी कित्याक भितर रावलें. तुमी भायर येयाय डिस्कस कराय मागीर आमकां सांगाय तुमचें मत कितें आहा तें. तुमी डिस्कस करनासतना प्लॅन करनासतना बेश्टे प्रोजेक्ट्स पास करनाका हिंगा.
Youth are the future. Youth are the now. At the time of elections, you all expect us to come out and vote. We are the future. We have questions as in you bring forces from Bihar. You do not trust us. You do not trust the Goans here. What is the use if you do not have faith in your own people, in your own elected people who are electing you? All this destruction that is happening is for whose good? If it's not for the good of the people of Goa, it's not benefiting us in any way. For what are you all going ahead with all this? We do not want these projects, this destruction of the land, of our khazans, of our waters. of the beaches. We've seen the instances, we read the newspapers, we are aware of all the latest things that are developments that are taking place. It's seen there, but y'all are denying. There are deceitful lies, and y'all expect the youth to believe that we are the future, we are the now. So y'all are going to tell us lies, and y'all expect us to believe the same. This is not what we want. Y'all are elected, y'all are the representatives who are supposed to support the youth, who are supposed to support the future, not destroy. Not to destroy and to make all these projects which are not for the benefit of us, not for the benefit of the youth. So much of destruction has been seen, whether it's the felling of the trees, whether it's the dredging of the rivers. It's going to destroy all our occupations. You all expect us to take up some jobs later on in life to be successful. What will be there left in Goa if there is all going to be destruction? If everywhere the air pollution will be there, all kinds of issues are going to surface, health issues are going to be there. People in Vasco are already having issues like that. There are infants who are already suffering. So many issues are already going on because of coal. It has been, people everywhere, all around the world have been phasing off coal because of all the studies which are already being done, and they know how destructive coal is and the use, whether it's air pollution, water pollution, whether it's the disease which come out because of felling of the trees. But here the government is instead encouraging such projects which are so destructive. Our banks, for instance, are now, we have got the news that SBI is willing to, is thinking of providing Adani loan. Now what is this? There are people who are just looting us and going. There are so many cases already, all these Nirav Modis and all the other cases which we already know about. They've looted and they've gone. This is our taxpayer money. This is us. We the people here. Tomorrow we are going to be also in that line, but if we have nothing, we have no future to look forward to, what is the use? This is a question to the government. What is the use of all this? For whom is this? It is not for us, definitely.
It's really for passengers, then increase the number of trains, increase the bogies or the compartments. Why do we need another track? So it is for coal transportation. Secondly, the highway expansion, they say that they are not aware of it, but they know that, and we also know, we can see when we travel, when we go to Kottalim, we can see that the work is going on. So why are you lying to us? So it is our appeal to the government that please scrap off these 3 linear projects and immediately stop the land acquisition happening at Davoli and other places because of double tracking. They je tumi police force atta Bihar son, send them away. Don't you have trust in the Goa police? Are you saying that Goa police has no power? Don't you have faith in the Goa police? Kika tumi Bihar son police force atta hai. What is the need? So please scrap these 3 projects immediately and also stop the land acquisition immediately. This is our appeal as you say. It was approved on 25th November in 2015 by under the chairmanship of our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. And आमकां सांगलेलें that this project is very good. As youth, we were looking forward because they told us that they are going to create jobs, they are going to increase the revenue, आणि आमचे import आणि export वाडटल म्हणून. But now we have realized that this double tracking, this 400 kV transmission line and the expansion, the highway expansion is not for us, it's not for the development of Goa, but it is all connected with the Sagarmala project. And all of this is only to help one person, that is Adani, who has bought a coal mine in Australia to transport coal through Goa to Karnataka and Maharashtra. Now, as youth, we are on the verge of starting our lives. आमी जायते hardwork करता in our colleges, in our schools, where we study hard because our parents have told us that we have to study and become somebody in future. So by the time we finish our education, Goa will be finished. So what are we? What is our future? That is our question, my question, and the question of all the youth gathered here today, and also the youth of Goa. So this is an appeal. We all appeal to the government to scrap these 3 projects. We don't want the 400 kV electrical transmission line. Like Valerie said, we already have 400 surplus power. Why do we need it? the railway minister of India says that this is to electrify the trains, to give additional power to the engines.
गांवांत येयला जो गांव सद्या न्यूज पेपराचेर आनी रेल्वे पुलीस फोर्साचे रेजिस्ट्राचेर हें जालो आसा FIR हें जालो आसा तांची ही केस जाली ऑन 18th की आमी गांवचो लोक मेळून जे थिंग काम करताले तांकां विचारपाक गेले तुमचे कडेन वर्क ऑर्डर आसा वा कितें आसा जे काम करपाक हांगा जे तुमी काम करतात ते तेम सांगलें आमचे कडेन तें काम ना सॉरी वर्क ऑर्डर ना म्हणून सांगलें तेन्ना आमी तांकां काम करपाचें स्टॉप केलें आनी तुमचे ऑफिसराक आपयात आनी ऑर्डर दाखयात मागीर काम स्टार्ट करया तेन्ना म्हळ्यार पुलीस आयले आनी थिंगाचे आमकां सायडीन काडले थिंग सायडीन काडले आनी धांवडयले आमकां आनी आमी तेन्ना हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाक कॉल केलो आमकां कुर्तोरी हेल्थ सेंटर लागता त्या डिपार्टमेंटाक कॉल केलो जे आमचे गांवांत लेबर काम करतात ते खंयच्यान येयल्यात आनी तांकां कितें डिजीज आसा कितें आसा प्रॉब्लम आसा जाल्यार तांकां हेल्थ कार्ड दाखोवन तेंचे हेल्थ कार्ड चॅक करात तेम सांगलें रेल्वे ऑफिसरांनी सांगलें ते बाय 3:30 हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाक येतले आनी तांकां हेल्थ कार्ड दितले बट आमी थिंगाचे गेले 1 o'clock समथींग 1 o'clock आमी थिंगाचे गेले आनी बाय 2:30 or 2 o'clock समथींग RPF येयले थिंगा रेल्वे पुलीस पोसयले विथ आर्म आनी ते सगळे विथ पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन तेम तें काम स्टार्ट केलां तुमी टायम दिल्लो आमकां पुलीस ऑफिसरांनी टायम दिल्लो रेल्वे ऑफिशियल्सांनी टायम दिल्लो 2:30 तुमी डिपार्टमेंटान वचून लोकांक सांगतले ओके तेंगे कार्ड बी पूण ते डिपार्टमेंटान चॅक केलें ना आनी पुलीस गोवन पुलीस आसतना थिंगा भायरसून पुलीस हाडले ते तुमी कित्याक गोंयच्या पुलिसांचेर तुमकां विश्वास ना ते जालें सेकेंड केस आतां रिसेंटली आतां चलता ती आर्यलान थिंगा आम लोकल आनी दावोली लोकलान विचारलें थिंग आर्यलान वचून हिंगा पंचायत मेंबर्सांनी विचारलें तुमकां हे पेपर्स आसा हिंग काम करपाचें ते दाखय त्या दिसाक पंचायत मेंबरांनी विचारलें क्वेश्चन आनी त्या दिसाक काम बंद जालें तांचें द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे परत थिंगा RPF येयले आनी तें काम पुलीस प्रोटेक्शना अंडराक स्टार्ट केलां आतां थिंगा आर्म फोर्सीस आसतना मनीस आमगे लोकल भिवपा ना चड गेले जाल्यार पूण एक 5-6 जाण गेले जाल्यार भिरांत आसतले कित्याक ते कितें केलें आनी ते गेले UP सुद्दां मारताय आनी इलेक्शना टायमार तूं आमचे जे मिनिस्टर आहाय ते आमगे गोंयकारां सपोर्ट करपाक सांगता इलेक्शना टायमार नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन जेन्ना येता न्हू तुमी UPकूच आसात आनी तांकां बिहाराक वचून और हुंयच्या वचून तुमचे पुलीस हाडले तांकां वचून तुमी वोट मागात गोंयकारांक येनाकात या मागता तिका मिनिस्टर सारकें काम करनाय जे डिपार्टमेंट आसा हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट और रेल्वे डिपार्टमेंट वॉट एवर इट इज डिपार्टमेंट सारकें काम करनाय पुलीस सारकें काम करनाय लोकल सारको तुमी कितें एक्सपेक्ट करताय सारकें विथ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर तुमी मुखार वचपाक लोकल्स कित्याक लॉ एंड ऑर्डर लागता लोकल सारको तुमी डिपार्टमेंट काम करना ऑफिशियल्स हें काम करना प्लस मिनिस्टर सारकें लॉ एंड ऑर्डर फॉलो करना तुमगे हें आसा तो तरी तुमी कंप्लीट करना सारको विथ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर वचना जाल्यार तुमी लोकल सारको कितें एक्सपेक्ट करता युथाको कितें एक्सपेक्ट करता तुमी मुखार वचपाक इतलें आमचें पळयता तें
Now one more thing, as you are youth, you are going for colleges, schools and everything, but your schools have started, everything is started. But do you feel that that assembly should be conducted here?
That is our appeal, sir.
कित्याक आमकां सांगलें की आमचो very senior minister, Mr. Mavin Gudina, was supposed to come here and to the village panchayat. So we took an appointment with him and we met him. And when we came, we handed over to him our memorandum and we told him that we want to explain this memorandum to you. And we told him that these 3 linear projects, the double tracking, highway expansion and 400 kV line, we are opposing it because it is not for the people and it is causing a lot of destruction to the environment. After that, he told us that he is against coal, but he wants double tracking, and double tracking will be completed, and it will help the passengers. It will help youth to get more jobs. But when on the Konkan railway line, there are already 17 trains that are moving on. Apart from that, there are more good trains on a single track. When they can handle 17 trains, why can't Konkan Railway handle 6 trains for the passengers? We only have 6 trains running, and that too weekly, wherein the 17 trains are running daily. So this, instead of putting another line, we want them to put more trains or else more bogies to facilitate to get the passengers or facilitate the people. Then when we asked him this, he had no answers to our questions and he was agitated. After that, he indirectly threatened us that if you all agitate, there will be police cases on you all, there will be, your passports will not be passed and you all won't get a chance to go abroad, and uh, and no government jobs will be given to you all. So this was an indirect threat to the youth, and we condemn this threat. We are not going to get afraid of such threats, and if you have to go to the jail for the love of Goa, we will go to the jail. So we had come with our grievances, and this is the elected representative are threatening us, and they are not listening to us, nor they are listening to the people. Whole Goa knows that expansion of highways are going to happen, but the PWD chief engineer, he was present over here, he's telling us that there is no expansion of roads that are happening and they have no knowledge of it. Our MLAs and our ministers are denying us these facts. They are telling us lies and we feel cheated, and that is why we are here. We were asked that day, what is your name, in a very threatening manner. Tell us your name, who are you? Over here there are youth from different villages. We have covered around more than 53 villages, and we have 600 plus youth with us right now, opposing the 3 linear projects. And we want to tell the MLAs and the ministers to come out, talk to us, or talk within themselves in the assembly and let us know when they are stopping this, because we don't want any postponement. We want to stop these 3 projects as well as stop the land acquisition immediately.